Welcome to another practice question of quadratic equations. This is the 126th question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous videos as well. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. So let's start solving this one. The question says, in a class test, the sum of the marks obtained by P in maths and science is 28. So let us put down the first condition right away, which is sum of marks obtained in maths and science is 28. Okay, so there is maths plus science and the sum of the marks is 28. Okay, let the marks in maths be M and the marks in science be S. Had he got 3 marks more in mathematics and 4 marks less in science, the product of these marks would have been 180. Now the question is saying, had he received 4 marks more in mathematics, which is M plus 4, and if he would have received 3 marks less in science, which is S minus 3, I'm sorry, I've written the condition slightly incorrectly. Okay, so I'll just get rid of this. Okay, the question says, if you got 3 marks more in maths and 4 marks less in science. Okay, so 3 marks more in maths and 4 marks less in science, the product will be equal to 180. Okay, this is the question, which is 3 marks more in maths multiplied by 4 marks less in science, the product will be 180. Now you see, this is our equation 1 or condition 1 and this is our condition 2. Okay, and this is what we have to solve. The question is very simple. From equation 1, if you have m plus s is equal to 28, I can write from equation 1 m is equal to 28 minus s. This is what I can write. Okay, m is equal to 28 minus s, and I just have to substitute this value over here. Okay, m is equal to 28 minus s, I have to substitute here. So what the second equation becomes is 28 minus of s plus of 3 multiplied by s minus of 4 is equal to 180. Okay, this is the question now. Now I just have to solve this. What will this become? 28 plus 3 becomes 31 minus s into s minus of 4 is equal to 180, and this becomes equal to 31s minus 31 into 4 is 124 minus of s square plus of 4s is equal to 180. Okay, and this becomes 31s plus 4s becomes 35s minus of s square, and if I take the 124 on this side, what it becomes is 304. Okay, so this becomes 304. Now what I'll do is I'll move everything to the RHS, so it becomes s square minus of 35s plus of 304 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation that I have to solve, and I can solve this actually by simple factorization. If you remember the table of 19, the factorization becomes very simple. 19 16s is 304. So look at this. This will become s square minus 19s minus 16s plus 304 equal to 0. And this will be s, if I take out common, it will be s minus 19 minus of 16 multiplied by s minus 19 is equal to 0. And then this becomes s minus 19, if I take common, s minus 19 into s minus 16 equal to 0. If I equate this to 0, I get s equal to 19. If I equate this part to 0, I get s equal to 16. Okay, now I have two values of s. So the two values of s are, s is either equal to 19 or s is equal to 16. Now you see, what is the value of m? M is equal to 28 minus s. Okay, so if s is equal to 19, m is going to be equal to 9, or if s is equal to 16, m is going to be equal to 12. So s and m have either these two values 19 and 9, or they have these two values 12 and 15. You can actually put these two values of s and m, these two sets of values of s and m, in the condition condition 2, which is product after adding 3 and subtracting 4 should be equal to 180. That's what I'm leaving for you as a homework. Now this is the solution to the question. So the value of S and M is either 19 and 9 or 16 and 12, and this is the solution to the question. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do put down your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.